Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to be decorating my spread for the week. This is for Easter week, and I'm going to use Retro Holidays from Live Love Posh. I really like this book a lot. There's really cute illustrations in here. We have this fun Easter themed section here. So I'm going to use these. Actually, let me tear them out actually. Oh, and there's butterflies. Cute, cute. So yeah, I'm gonna use this one. It's just a fun theme. And then I'm gonna bring in pink boxes from Jojo. It's just easy to pull one of these books for this spread. All right, so yeah, Easter is coming up. So I'm just gonna use, oh, this is Washi. There's only, oh no, but I have more. Okay, so I'm just gonna do, let's see, how do I want to do this? I really like this little checkerboard pattern. Okay, so this one's gonna go up here. Maybe, oop. Okay, perfect. I guess I could just do, I'm gonna do yellow. Purple and yellow, because I'm gonna add a lot of pink, so we'll bring in yellow and purple. Okay, and then I can do, I have another sheet. Oops, I already put it away. But let me grab the other sheet, the washi from here. So that way I can have it coordinate. Okay, perfect. Let's get some. Just cut this off. All right, cool. And then I need the yellow piece for the bottom. All right, perfect. Okay, washi is done. I love when there's like some coordinating washi that I can use in a book. Just makes things a little bit easier, which is nice. Okay, so let's see. Also, there's this one too. That's fun. So this is just gonna be kind of a silly kind of spread since we have, like, look at that little smiley face with the ears. That's funny. But it's gonna be cute, silly and cute. So we have these flowers, which I kind of want to put here. Just gonna stick things down. Ooh, and then we have some eggs. That's cute. Definitely adding butterflies because I love butterflies. It's kind of big. Guess I could put it here. Yeah. Okay, let me get some boxes. Yeah. Okay, let's get some boxes on the page. I like to do like a double box on this side. So let me see if I have one. Okay, I do. I'm just gonna use this pink color, this light pink color. Oops. So I got a double box for the weekend. I'm trying to think. Maybe I should pull in another color. I don't know. We'll see if I pull in another color because I haven't decided yet. I have this. It says Easter. There's one that says Groovy Easter. Okay, Easter. And yeah, I'm trying to decide if I want to do another color. Actually, no. I'm just going to layer pink boxes on top of each other because it just makes things easier. And I like that the focal point is just the stickers, like the decorative fun stickers. Kind of let those shine a little bit more. Okay, so I got that there. I do want to add like a butterfly. I also have these other fun stickers. maybe a banner. And a butterfly. Okay, I'm gonna do a little trail. Kind of going this way. I feel like most of my spreads this season have been butterfly kind of themed spreads, which is super cute. Love a good butterfly spread. Okay, let me get another box. Okay, another box. I don't have any plans aside from like spending time with family on Easter, so yeah, not much going on this week. But still gotta put all the cute stickers down. This page looks so cute already. I want to add in some of these, but I don't know. I like the rainbow too. This peace sign with the bunny ears is funny. No. Okay. Scratch that idea. I feel like I need a bunny of some kind. The smiley face bunny? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna move on to this side. We'll move on to this side for now. And I guess I could put some of these bigger flowers. All right, let me get a sidebar sticker because I like to put like one of these. I'll put this lined one over here. Oh, let me white this out. Perfect. Get some flowers going down here. Let's do this pink one. This corner. I could do a butterfly over here too. Let's see, I'll do a yellow one. Okay, do a little trail. Cute. It's always my favorite is to make those little trails. It's just a super cute touch that I like to do. Okay, more boxes. I'm gonna get a vertical box. Okay, I have one of these. Oh, ripped. Okay, let's grab this one. I think the only thing I really have to do this week, it's kind of crooked, but that's okay, is I need to pay my registration. So I gotta take care of that. But other than that, it's pretty chill-ish weekend or week. Just work. That's about it. The usual. Okay, maybe some of the balloons. Actually, let me cut the bottom off. Okay, that's cute. At least I got some of the bunny stuff on the spread. I really like this smiley face too. I don't know why. I'm usually not really into smiley faces, but It's kind of cute. But I don't want to take up too much room. I'll put it here. It's funny. It's so random, but I like it. Oh, I wanted to put the rainbow, but I don't have enough space now. Yeah, okay, that's okay. Let's put more boxes. More boxes. Okay, I like this size box here. My book is falling apart. That's okay, because it's very, very well used. Love using that book. Let me see the rainbow again. Oh, it's too big. Too big. Okay, that won't work. Nope. Okay. Thought it was a cute idea, but no. Okay, I do have these little like lollipops in the shape of bunnies. No, it's kind of random there too. Okay, never mind on that. Oh, banners. I can do more banners. Put some there. Wish I had another butterfly that was like facing the other way. I have this one similar to that one, but just gonna stick it there. Okay, and then I'm gonna do a little trail going kind of up the page. I never have it going up this way, so why not? Okay, so it's going up that way. I need something for here. I feel like a quote or something. Hippity hoppity. I have hippity hoppity. It's funny. I'll do hippity hoppity. Alrighty. Cute, cute. So you don't want anything else. Oh, I know. I can do some checklists and bullet points. And I think I'm good. Okay, so again, my book's falling apart, so I need to find, here we go. Here's the checklist and bullet points right here. So let me get tweezers. Where my tweezers are. Okay, I'm just gonna stick bullet points down. Couple there. Put a couple here. Maybe some checklists. I'll put one here. And here. Cute. Maybe some more of this checkered pattern would be cute. Oh, got another piece. Okay, don't want that piece. Just want this piece. trying to follow the line actually. I was gonna go a little bit off, but nah. Okay. I do like the checkered pattern. Oh. Okay, so some there. Let me try to lift this up a little bit without ripping it. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit here and a little bit here. So I have to get the other one from here. Good on that side, and I just need to add a tiny little piece here. Okay, that works. Fun. I think it looks pretty good. I think that's gonna be it. Okay. So I really like how that turned out. It's, again, very random, but let me just try one more thing actually. Yeah, it's very random theme. Well, I just think it's funny. This is not too random, but it's cute. Just want to move this over in the middle. I think that kind of fills in the space a little bit better. Okay, yeah. And then I don't know, I feel like here I need something. Let me try this guy again. No, I don't know. A flower maybe? Yeah, maybe a flower. Because I do have one of these flowers, so let me stick purple. Okay, that's what I'm going with for there. All right, so that is gonna be my Easter spread for Easter week. Love how it turned out. Okay, so I used the Little Posh Retro Holidays and pink boxes. Those are the books that I used, but I hope you all enjoyed watching me create this spread. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.